I am Haripriya, DW32 Data Science batch. Last November, I joined this data science course. The mentors explained level one by one. That means what is Python, then everything they explained in Python language. Then they move to statistics, then machine learning, NLP, everything. They teach one by one, well manner. Then the projects are very unique. The placements projects, the capstone projects are very unique. Very unique. We learn more from that capstone projects. Then every time I raise a query in Zen portal, the response immediately. The mentors, then the query team, very helpful for me. I learn more in this course. Thank you.